scientific methods and research, concept, definitions of research, purpose, importance, steps, levels and rigor of research, different paradigms of research, concept and definitions of research. Research is a systematic and objective investigation of a subject or problem with the aim of discovering new knowledge, establishing facts, or verifying and testing existing knowledge. Research involves the collection and analysis of data, and the interpretation of results. It is an important tool for advancing knowledge and solving practical problems in various fields such as science, medicine, social sciences, engineering, and business. Purpose and importance of research. The purpose of research is to gain new knowledge, deepen our understanding of existing knowledge, or solve practical problems. Research helps us to identify and explore new areas of inquiry, generate new hypotheses, test and validate theories, and develop practical solutions to real-world problems. Research also plays a critical role in the advancement of science, technology, and innovation. Steps in research. The steps involved in research include defining the research problem and objectives, reviewing existing literature and studies, developing a research design and methodology, collecting data through observation, surveys, experiments, or other methods, analyzing the data using statistical or other techniques, drawing conclusions and making recommendations based on the findings, communicating the results through reports, presentations, or publications. Levels and rigor of research. Research can be conducted at different levels of complexity and rigor, depending on the nature of the problem, the scope of the study, and the available resources. Some common levels of research include exploratory, descriptive, correlational, quasi-experimental, and experimental research. The rigor of research refers to the level of precision, accuracy, and validity of the research methods and results. Different paradigms of research. Research paradigms refer to the philosophical frameworks and assumptions that guide research inquiry. There are several paradigms of research, including positivism, interpretivism, critical theory, and postmodernism. Each paradigm has different assumptions about the nature of reality, the role of the researcher, the methods of inquiry, and the criteria for validity and reliability. The choice of paradigm depends on the research question, the nature of the data, and the goals of the study. Basic types of research is fundamental applied research, descriptive analytical research, quantitative/qualitative research, conceptual empirical research, diagnostic hypothesis, testing research, conclusion-oriented decision-oriented research, theoretical/action research, longitudinal/cross-sectional research. Basic types of research is fundamental applied research. Fundamental research, also known as pure research, is a type of research that is conducted to expand the existing knowledge base without any immediate practical application. Applied research, on the other hand, is a type of research that is conducted to solve practical problems or to develop new technologies. Descriptive analytical research. Descriptive research is a type of research that is conducted to describe the characteristics of a population or phenomenon. Analytical research, on the other hand, is a type of research that is conducted to explain why and how a phenomenon occurs. Qualitative research. Quantitative research is a type of research that involves the collection and analysis of numerical data. Qualitative research, on the other hand, is a type of research that involves the collection and analysis of non-numerical data such as text, images, and video. Conceptual empirical research. Conceptual research is a type of research that is conducted to develop new concepts or theories. Empirical research, on the other hand, is a type of research that is based on the observation and measurement of phenomena. Diagnostic hypothesis testing research. Diagnostic research is a type of research that is conducted to identify the causes of a problem or to diagnose a condition. Hypothesis testing research, on the other hand, is a type of research that involves the testing of a hypothesis or a proposed explanation for a phenomenon. Conclusion-oriented decision-oriented research. Conclusion-oriented research is a type of research that is conducted to draw conclusions about a phenomenon or to answer a research question. Decision-oriented research, on the other hand, is a type of research that is conducted to inform a decision or to solve a practical problem. Theoretical action research. Theoretical research is a type of research that is conducted to develop new theories or to test existing ones. Action research, on the other hand, is a type of research that is conducted to solve a specific problem or to improve a specific practice. Longitudinal cross-sectional research. Longitudinal research is a type of research that is conducted over a period of time, with data collected at multiple points in time. Cross-sectional research, on the other hand, is a type of research that is conducted at a single point in time. Longitudinal research allows researchers to track changes over time and to identify trends or patterns that may emerge. Cross-sectional research, on the other hand, allows researchers to collect data from a large sample of individuals at a single point in time. Each type of research has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the choice of research method depends on the research question, the nature of the data, and the goals of the study. For example, if a researcher wants to understand the causes of a disease, they may conduct diagnostic research to identify the underlying factors. If a researcher wants to understand how people perceive a new product, they may conduct qualitative research to gather opinions and feedback. In summary, understanding the different types of research is essential for designing and conducting research studies that can generate accurate and meaningful results. Researchers need to carefully consider their research question, data collection methods, and analytical techniques to ensure that their research is rigorous and reliable. Research question, introduction, types and identification. Research problem, definition. Identification of problem, ways of understanding problem, criteria of a good problem, guidelines for selecting meaningful problem. Research objective, definition, broad and specific objectives, goals. Research hypothesis, meaning of research hypothesis, sources of hypothesis, qualities of workable hypothesis, utilities of hypothesis. Research question. A research question is a clear and concise inquiry that a researcher aims to answer through their study. It is typically derived from a problem or issue identified in the field of study. Research questions can be open-ended or close-ended, and they should be well-defined, focused, and testable. There are different types of research questions, including descriptive questions, comparative questions, and explanatory questions. Descriptive questions seek to describe a phenomenon or situation, while comparative questions compare two or more variables or groups. Explanatory questions seek to explain why or how a phenomenon occurs. Identifying a research question is a crucial step in the research process, and it involves reviewing the existing literature, identifying gaps or areas for further investigation, and formulating a clear and focused inquiry. Research problem. A research problem is a statement of an issue or challenge that needs to be addressed through research. It is the starting point of any research study, and it should be well defined, clear, and concise. Identifying a research problem involves understanding the context of the study, reviewing the literature, and identifying gaps or issues that need further investigation. A good research problem should be relevant, significant, feasible, and interesting. It should also be well defined and focused, and it should have clear implications for practice or policy. Research objective. Research objectives are specific and measurable goals that a researcher aims to achieve through their study. They are typically derived from the research question and the research problem, and they provide a clear direction for the study.